Hi, I'm Johnny Creer from Swanston IT and welcome to another 2-minute cracker. Using freeze panes is a really handy tip if you've got large data sets or lists and you want to keep your column headings visible at all times. As you can see in our example, I have a long list of data and I've got some column headings at the very top. But if I scroll down my list, I lose sight of my column headings, and this can be very frustrating. The function I will use is called freeze panes, and it is found in the View ribbon in 2007 and can be found here under freeze panes. What Excel looks for is your active cell before it applies freeze panes. So therefore, if I place my active cell in cell B4 and then go to freeze panes and choose freeze panes, you can see that it applies a fine black line across the top of my active cell and down the left hand side of my active cell, and this means that any rows above the active cell or to the left of the active cell are now frozen and will be visible no matter where I scroll on my screen. So as you can see, as I scroll down, the 3 rows above my active cell are visible and the column to the left of my active cell is also visible. To take freeze panes off is also very easy. I go to freeze panes and I say unfreeze panes. In our example, what I would like to do is I would like to freeze row 1 only. In that case, what I do is I place my active cell in cell A2. If I place my active cell in cell A1 and choose freeze panes, it actually puts the freeze panes in the middle of my screen like this, which is not very useful. So make sure you choose cell A2, go to freeze panes and freeze panes. Now my active cell has placed a fine black line across the bottom of row 1, and as I scroll down, only the items in the first column are frozen and therefore visible no matter where I am on the screen. Thanks very much for your time. Hopefully you found that very useful. If you'd like to find out any more information about the courses we provide, please go to swanstonit.co.uk. Many thanks. Bye.